Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to make gummy bears without Jello, using simple ingredients you likely have. First, gather your unflavored gelatin powder, which is key for that signature chew. Next, pick a vibrant fruit juice or puree for natural flavor and color. You'll also need a liquid sweetener, such as honey or maple syrup, to balance the taste. For an extra zing, consider adding a small amount of fresh lemon juice. These few items are all you need to begin your homemade gummy adventure. Now, let's create the gummy base. Start by pouring about 1/2 cup of your chosen cold fruit juice into a small saucepan. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin powder over the juice and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This is called blooming. Then, place the saucepan over low heat, adding your sweetener. Whisk the mixture constantly until all the gelatin and sweetener are completely dissolved, ensuring it never comes to a boil. This gentle heating creates a smooth, clear liquid. With your gummy base ready, it's time to infuse and shape. If you're adding extra flavorings or natural food coloring, stir them in now. Gently skim off any foam that might have appeared on the surface for clearer gummies. Next, carefully pour the warm liquid into your silicone gummy bear molds. A small dropper works wonderfully for precision, helping to prevent air bubbles. Remember to work quickly, as the mixture will start to thicken as it cools, ensuring your gummies take their perfect shape. The final step is to chill, pop, and enjoy your creations. Transfer your filled molds to the refrigerator for about 15 to 30 minutes, or for a quicker set, place them in the freezer for approximately 15 minutes. Once they are firm to the touch, gently pop each gummy bear out of its mold. Store your delightful, homemade gummy bears in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They will stay fresh and delicious for up to 2 weeks, ready for you to enjoy anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.